Welcome back to Historical Ancient Recipes. And today, we're taking a trip back to ancient Egypt to explore one of the most iconic and enduring staples of Egyptian cuisine. For thousands of years, has been the heart of Egyptian meals. It's a traditional flatbread made from whole wheat flour, deeply rooted in the daily life and culture of ancient Egyptians. Let's dive into how it's made and the rich history behind it. To make, all you need are 4 simple ingredients: whole wheat flour, water, yeast, and a pinch of salt. While it may sound basic, this bread has been a staple in Egyptian homes since the time of the pharaohs. The word actually means life in Arabic, showing just how essential bread has always been to Egyptian culture. First, we combine the whole wheat flour with yeast, water, and salt. The ancient Egyptians often used sourdough starters, but today we're keeping it simple. Once the dough is smooth and elastic, we'll let it rest and rise for about an hour. Once the dough has risen, we'll divide it into portions and roll them into rounds. Traditionally, is baked in domed clay ovens called which give the bread its signature texture: crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside. Now, we're ready to bake. The bread cooks quickly, puffing up into these beautiful golden rounds. The smell alone transports you right back to the bustling bakeries of ancient Egypt. Hats, serving and cultural context. Aish Baladi is more than just bread. It's the foundation of Egyptian meals. Whether paired with dips, stews, or eaten on its own, it's versatile, nutritious, and full of history. In ancient Egypt, bread wasn't just food. It was a symbol of sustenance and life. Even today, Aish Baladi remains central to Egyptian cuisine and culture. Tasting and conclusion. The bread is soft, slightly nutty, and has that perfect chew. Simple, yet incredibly flavorful. A taste that stood the test of time for thousands of years. Thank you for joining me on this journey back to ancient Egypt. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more historical recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. End screen. Subscribe for more ancient culinary adventures.